think I hit a rock with my diff.
Yeah.
Or my axle. Because I think I hit it first. And I was kind of wondering about that one. Nobody else was hitting it, so I thought I'd try it, but you know, everybody else is on 35s. It was a little bit of a thing. It was.
I mean,
I wonder if I should even bother putting on lockers yet. I mean, probably not front, but rear. I just need to pick some better lines, maybe. No, I think this is the worst of it right here.
I mean, it's not the worst. It's the challenging part. It's still fun though.
Yeah.
Dad took a class.
I know. When I was there, when Dad took a class.
I was like, oh, this is cool, dudes. And then I saw some guy go in the water and wicked.
What else did you learn there, Nate?
I learned that height centering is not good.
Yeah. So even though we hit our axles, I'm well protected.
Swear?
Yeah. He said axles.
Yeah, no. You just swear too.
It's funny. That's my impression.
All right.
Stop saying that.
Quiet's fun. Quiet's fun. Quiet's fun. Quiet's funny. Quiet's funny. Quiet's funny. Quiet's funny. That's a big rock.
I mean, down.
Yeah.
Chapstick is an essential out here. Oh, out of your unit.
Any kind of moisturizer is an essential.
White people, am I right?
It's all white people pretty much here.
Yep.
It's just white dudes who think have you ever seen
Another ethnicity?
yeah.
Yes, I have. I don't know that. I've seen.
See, well, we saw some Latinos, and there's probably a smattering of
That's not
black
an old
guys,
guy.
and I saw some Asians.
That's not an old. Some of them is not an old. You know, what I mean is like. Never. And you still have a lot of dark hair.
He knows.
Back of his head.
guys are gonna get a lot of exercise, huh?
It doesn't work that well. It's not a great camera for zooming in there.
You didn't watch Telegram Island.
I did
When
once.
you was at our friend's house a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
And I always thought that if I watched it, I'd get in trouble.
Oh,
'Cause it's just,
I just told you I didn't think it was a very good show. I don't know, I think.
Because it was a dumb show.
Yeah.
It's like a cartoon reality show that had like lots of farting in it. Or something like that. I was
One
like,
commercial, they like open a stall and there's like flies everywhere and it's like blowing up this guy's penis. It was like, bro.
it's just a dumb show.
Don't even show me that.
Don't expose children to that. Not their good Christian eyes. Their sinless minds.
Little
A little rough.
drama.
You guys are fine.
Yeah, I know.
Total Drama Island.
Just caught me by surprise. I was not expecting
me
that.
too.
Burger Fig Island.
Look at those cool cacti.
Number 15, Burger Fig Island.
Booger, fig, egg.
Big friggin' egg. Number 15, big friggin' egg. And the
Burger fart eggs. That's what it means. That's what
Burger
BFE
fart
stands
eggs?
for.
Oh,
Burger
yeah.
fart eggs.
burger farts eggs.
Or butt fart
Eggy. Oop.
eggy. Sounds like that's you. Butt fart egg.
Big fart
It's a good thing I got that
Big
diff guard on here.
fat
Mm-hmm.
Front.
big friggin' egg. What friggin' eggs?
Hey, the cacti are like purple.
They're black.
Coitus.
We should
Bit
cut
off
one.
of the front diff.
We should cut one and get its juice.
If we hit the back, it doesn't matter. This axle's
We
bulletproof.
cut a cactus and
Yeah.
drink its juice then.
Supposedly bulletproof.
Yeah, that cacti is like black. That's racist.
We should try shooting it sometime.
It's not black.
Yeah,
It's not
it
Well,
is
what
like
do they mean
literally
by-
bulletproof.
Bulletproof, because you can throw a bullet at it and it won't do anything. But you could classify that as bulletproof.
Yeah,
bulletproof tires.
I suppose could be considered
Stinky egg
projectile
fart.
proof.
Yeah. High speed projectile proof. See how this person rhymes.
Yeah, we're gonna come down on this one. We'll be rubbing stuff. It's okay.
It's alright,
We
fools.
can.
Oh, wow.
It's just the bumper.
Yep.
Dad, you're gonna do it too. Hey, remember
Butthole
the
stink
people
fart.
Last time
Butthole stink fart.
had a Jeep that was like silver. And theirs is white.
And we didn't.
Nope.
Not a single touch.
I think you just took it better.
Yeah.
Better line, maybe.
That's because Dad is one with his Jeep. I just felt some zen.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling zen.
Not yet, though. You can't talk to him.
Sauce? Is that sauce?
If you'll be one with the Jeep, let the Jeep guide you.
No, Dad. Don't let the Jeep guide you because you're probably gonna
The way I envision it
trip.
is like my hands are the front
Mm-hmm.
tires and my feet are the back tires, and I'm crawling on this thing, and it's like I can feel it.
That's really gross. That's a gross thing too. Dad crawling around naked because cars don't have like
Cars have
clothes on,
clothes.
so he's technically naked. In Spanish. Because Spanish is like Yo soy Ian. Me llamo Roberto.
That way, wait. That way. Come on, more. Stop touching me. Wow.
It was a bear's foot. Oh, there's the scrape.
Flares.
Your wheel well.
That's playa. That's playa.
Drop here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This one, go to the far left on your way down.
Far left.
See where he's going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, jump. I don't have a sign. Nice one.
Ready, Nate?
Let's make a case for the camera. Because I used to be holding the camera. Yeah, got it. said that you like your friend. He used to be holding the camera. Just kidding. He's an editor. Stop it
I
now.
want to look up those pictures.
Okay. Cool.
You see me
Where are they gonna be?
The website.
Yeah.
Didn't you say in like 9 months?
6. You said 6. 6 hours. Till snap time. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I need lunch. I have lunch in the car, so I want my puddy. Give me puddy. You want your lunch? No, I want my buddy. Your buddy? No, my buddy. Your buddy? No, my body. No, my buddy.
Thank you.
You got a CB by chance?
No.
Okay.
I have FRS radios.
That doesn't communicate too well with my CB.
They're not compatible.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad. Why'd you have to buy those?
Yeah, Dad, you suck. I'm just kidding.
You're the best, Dad. You're safe.
Because most people use the others
Apparently
nowadays.
not. Apparently not.
Yeah, except out here.
Bunch of fools in Moab. Moab.
My foot is actually inside good. You can see the veins on my foot. My foot has now become my arm.